Cruise, he's quite small. Tom Cruise, he's only 2 foot tall. Pick him right up and stand him on a chair. He don't care, he's a millionaire, he's Tom Cruise. Brad Pitt, a drunken git, he was out there smoking pot. Then he got dizzy, and he had to go to bed, so I chatted up his mott, as you do. I chatted up his mott. But Angelina Jolie, no, she won't leave me alone. Angelina Jolie, she will not get off the phone. We're calling me and texting me, pestering me, badgering me. She got a horrible crush on me, oh Angelina Jolie. I told her, Angelina, I said, you've had your stint. But Angelina Jolie, she just can't take the hint. Jumping round me half insane, battering on my window pane. Oh, she's breaking down in tears again, oh Angelina Jolie. Angelina Jolie, I will not leave my wife. Stop your fantasizing, girl, and get yourself a life. Angelina, understand, a one-night stand is a one-night stand.
Yeah.
So now let go my hand, oh Angelina Jolie. Angelina Jolie, she ain't got no cop. Angelina Jolie, but you don't know when to stop. Angelina, get a grip. Brad Pitt likes you and he's quite hip. Stop poking at me with your lip, oh Angelina Jolie. Don't cry for me, Angelina. It's over, Angelina. Our race is almost run. I never asked you to tattoo my name upon your bone. Hanging around my garden fence, looking all moody and intense. When are you ever going to get some sense? Oh, Angelina Jolie.